Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Hope everybody's doing good. Today I wanted to show you guys really quickly how my last painting dried, and if you haven't checked out that video, I will link it down below. It is this piece here, it's a traveling kiss pour. Check out the colors. It dried really nice. I was trying to show you the metallic ink and gold color, and this is going to be really nice when I get some gloss varnish on it. And the little heart ended up staying too, so that was nice. But I'm really loving these colors and how it turned out. Dried a little bit darker, but it's not super dark, so that's good. But I'm loving how it turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. So today we're going to be doing an ocean pour with resin, and I'm going to be trying a new resin. It's KS resin. So let's jump in and get started. Here is what the KS resin bottles look like. It's crystal clear, it's a 1-to-1 ratio, and I wanted to show you how clear the part B is. Sometimes the part B can be a little bit yellow, and this is like the clearest resin I've ever used. Their part B is super clear. So today I'm going to be using my Pinata alcohol ink for the waves, Color Obsession aquamarine, and my Lerez steel blue epoxy paste. And I just poured a little bit of the Pinata Blanco into this clear resin here, and I'm stirring that up. It was looking opaque, but I wanted to add a little bit more just in case I didn't add enough. I've never tried alcohol ink like this in resin before, so this was new to me. And also, I wanted to show you guys, to get all of the clear out of your mixing cup, just take your heat gun and heat it up a little bit, and that way you can get all your resin out. So I'm just taking a little bit of clear and smoothing that over my ocean pour. And this video I made previously, I will link that down below, and you can check out how I got it to this point here. I just wanted to add more waves to this piece and lighten it up a little bit, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And the KS resin, like I said, it's a 1-to-1 ratio, so I poured 8 ounces of my part B in the container, and then 8 ounces of my part A. Sorry, I had a brain fart there for a minute. And then I mixed that up for 4 minutes. But if you want to see a tutorial on how I mix up all my resin and my pigments, if you're new to resin, I have a playlist of resin art tutorials. I will link that down below, and be sure to check that out because it's got a ton of great information in there. I just cut it out of this video to save time. So as you can see, I took my steel blue epoxy paste and my aquamarine, and I just kind of put those all over my board here, and I didn't really, have a rhyme or reason. I just blended them together with my hand and made sure that those edges are nice and covered. And I also reserved some clear resin to help me with the waves. I put some of that to the side in a cup. I forgot to mention that. So here I'm just going in with my alcohol ink, the Blanco Blanco, and my clear resin that I had mixed together, and I'm going to start making my waves. And then I'm going to add clear right next to that, and that's going to help you push your waves and give you nice lacing. So just nice and easy, add a little bit of clear next to your lines, your white lines. So now I'm going in with my heat gun, just warming up my resin a little bit and trying to move those waves. And as you can see, not a whole lot was happening. I was like, what is going on? Because like I had said, I never used the Blanco Blanco or the alcohol ink in resin before. to get waves. So I was like, what? I thought that this would work because I've seen a lot of other people do it this way. But I don't know, maybe I didn't add enough alcohol ink. If you've tried this technique before, making waves with alcohol ink, let me know down in the comments. Did I not add enough of the alcohol ink? But as you can see, nothing's really happening. So I decided to add some of my angel white paste to my alcohol ink and resin, and I'm going to use that and basically redo my waves. Here I'm just going in with a little bit more of the steel blue and the aquamarine and blending that out a little bit just to kind of make it a little bit more blue up towards the top up there. Now I'm going to go in and do my waves again with my angel white added into that alcohol ink just to see what that does. And I also took I like to call it the platypus attachment. I took that attachment off of my heat gun. So I don't know if it was the attachment that was not making the waves or if it was just I didn't add enough alcohol ink before, but you'll see the waves really get rolling when I hit it with the heat here in a minute. And I have my clear, I'm just adding that next to the white. When you add the clear next to the white, it really helps that white move. So here, you'll see what I'm talking about. See that nozzle? I took that platypus nozzle off of my heat gun, and look at the waves now, how they're really moving. See that? So that angel white, man, that stuff's really awesome. If you guys haven't tried it, definitely try it. It's really good for cells and lacing if you're looking for white cells and lacing. So I'm just going to go in and do my waves here and see what I can come up with. Now I'm going to add some waves down onto my sand down here. And if you guys want to get the angel white, I got mine from Laura's Art Corner off of Facebook. She is the US distributor of Lerez products. I'll link all the information down below. If you guys do resin art and you want to try some of this white, it's really awesome. So I'm just adding my clear here, and then I'm going to heat these guys up as well. I decided I wanted to connect this wave, so I'm just going in with my finger, doing a little finger swipe to connect these waves here. And now I'm going to add a little bit more white just to make it look a little bit more 3D at the base of the wave. Add a little bit more white to the sides too. Make sure your edges are nice and covered. And like I said before, if you guys want to see the process on this piece, how I did the sand and all that good stuff, I will link that video down below, and I'll put an iCard right here as well, so you can just click on that eye and then that'll take you straight to the video. I also put a little bit of white along the sand line too. So I'm going to add one more wave right here, just because, you know, I like to add a little bit more, a rogue wave, I like to call it. And I was thinking about it, and then I was like, oh, should I add another wave up towards the top? I don't know if I should add another one. So I decided not to, but do you guys think I should have added another wave? Because when you think about, you know, I know this is abstract art, but when you think about it, there's not a lot of waves in the deep water, so I decided not to. So I'm going to let this guy dry, and I will show you what it looks like in 24 hours after it's all nice and dry. And here it is. It dried really nice, and this wave right here really looks 3D. You can see that sand underneath the lacing right here, and it's really awesome. I was trying to show you, but the camera just doesn't pick up that depth that you can see in person. It really looks like a 3D wave. It's pretty awesome. And I got some nice cells and lacing on this too. I'm not sure. I know the Angel White always will give you cells and lacing, so I'm not sure if adding that alcohol ink was necessary because it didn't really do much. But check out the cells and lacing on those waves. It looks awesome. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know down in the comments. And here you can see that steel blue popping up through. That steel blue's really, really pretty. That's a Lerez product too. But you can see the nice shimmer. It's been really cloudy here, so I couldn't take it outside and really show you that shimmer, but it's really, really nice. This was some fun little ghost lacing that showed up right there on the side. I like this little section too. It's got some fun lacing right there. See that? It's pretty awesome. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I hope you guys like this video. If you did like it, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. That helps my channel out. So I would appreciate that. And let me know, do you guys think I should add another layer and put more waves up towards the top? Or do you think it looks good like this? Let me know what you think down in the comments. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for another video. Bye guys!